Hello kids, today we have the comparison form of adjectives, and today we're going to start with bigger and smaller. Here we have two apples, okay? This apple is bigger than this other apple, but we can say that the apple number 2 is smaller. So we can say apple number 1 is bigger than apple number 2, and apple number 2 is smaller than apple number 1. We are making comparison. So we are making comparisons between the two apples. Look at this example. Here we have some piranhas and a little fish, but let's say that all these are piranhas. So we have a red one, a blue one, purple one, and a green one. So we can say that the red piranha is bigger than the blue piranha. So notice that this piranha is bigger than this blue one. Then we have another example. The purple piranha is smaller than the blue piranha. So notice that we can compare using bigger and smaller. So the first piranha in this case mentioned in the first sentence is the red one. So we have to mention the characteristic of this piranha over the other ones. So the red piranha is bigger than the blue piranha. The same, here we start with the purple piranha, and we are comparing the purple piranha with the blue one. So the purple piranha is smaller than the blue piranha. Look at this. This is a polar bear and this is an elephant. So the polar bear is big, but we can notice that the elephant is bigger. So the opposite of big, small. The opposite of bigger, smaller. The polar bear is big. The elephant is bigger than the polar bear. The polar bear is big, but it is smaller than the elephant. Look, this is a shark. What can we say about the shark? The shark is big, and this is real, yes? So the shark is big. This is a blue whale, and we are comparing the blue whale and the shark. So we can say that the whale is bigger. Compare, the whale is bigger than the shark. The whale is bigger than the shark. And in the opposite side, we can mention the shark first with its characteristic. The shark is smaller than the whale. These two sentences are opposite each other. The whale is bigger than the shark. Or the shark is smaller than the whale. Here we have an hippopotamus. So we can say the hippopotamus is big. Yes, the hippopotamus is a big animal. Here we have a T-Rex. What can we say about this T-Rex? Well, if you compare the T-Rex and the hippopotamus, we get this. The T-Rex is bigger. So we can mention after these two sentences that the T-Rex is bigger than the hippopotamus. Now, we have here the superlatives, the biggest and the smallest. Here we have a T-Rex, and here we have a ladybug. The biggest, the smallest. Let's look at these three animals. Well, we have a cat, a bird, and a ladybug. The cat is a small animal, so we say the cat is small. But compare the cat and the bird. We can say that the bird is smaller than the cat, okay? But what about the ladybug? If we compare the ladybug with the bird, we can say that the ladybug is smaller than the bird. But if you compare the ladybug with the bird and the cat at the same way, you can say that of these three animals, the ladybug is the smallest. The ladybug is the smallest. Remember that we use smallest in groups when we compare 3 or 4 or more animals or objects. Here we have the opposite. So the dog is big. The cow is bigger. The cow is bigger than the dog. But of these animals, the group of these three animals, the elephant is the biggest. The elephant is the biggest of the three. Look at this pig. The pig is big, but the rhino is bigger. So we can say the rhino is bigger than the pig. But of these three animals, the elephant is the biggest of the three. The elephant is the biggest in this group. So we are comparing the elephant, the rhino, and the pig at the same time. Look at the sentences. The elephant is the biggest, and the pig is the smallest. Remember, in this group, we are making comparison, so we use the superlative form. The pig is the smallest. The elephant is the biggest. Look at this example too. Here we have a cat. We can say that the cat is small. But this mouse is smaller than the cat. And here we have an ant. And you know that ants are really small. So in this group of three, the ant is the smallest. The ant is the smallest of the three animals. Here we have a mouse that is small. You know that this mouse is small. But this second mouse, mouse number 2, is smaller than mouse number 1. And also we can say that mouse number 1 is bigger than mouse number 2. But what about mouse number 3? Mouse number 3 is smaller than mouse number 2. So we can say that mouse number 3 is the smallest. Mouse number 3 is the smallest mouse. Of these 3 mice, we can say that mouse number 3 is the smallest, and mouse number 1 is the biggest. So that's all for today. See you.